What's up, beautiful people? I'm about to do my natural everyday look for you guys. So starting with that, I'll be using this baby skin pore eraser just so I can eliminate these pores on my skin so I don't create new ones. I'm about to color correct my skin just so I can blemish out these dark spots and pimples. Ugh. So I'm gonna put this green under my nose because I do have redness and redness all over my face, I guess. So I'm about to put this color under my eyes because you guys know, like, these bags are not attractive. Like, you know what I'm saying? So let's cover that up a little. So after that, I do have these two beauty blenders that I love so much. I'll be using this DermaBlend. I never tried it before. It's a more creamy foundation than my M.A.C liquid foundation. Um, this is a medium coverage, so I really hope that I really like this. I'll be using my M.A.C sponge that was $20. Jesus Christ. But they are very, very beautiful to work with because before I was using a blending brush, a beauty blender, I was using my finger just because I didn't find a good brush to set my makeup with. But I found this and it is everything. So I'm going to apply more of the product to my skin on my other side of my face so I could just beat that out. Yes, girl. Beat that face. When you doing your foundation, beat it. Like, beat your face. So after that, I have more blend. So you want everything to be equally nice and smooth on your skin. So I'm going to try this CoverGirl concealer. I don't wear concealer like that, so this is my first time actually going out to shop and look for a good concealer. So I don't really, it's okay. Let's try the other side. Let's hope it comes out bomb because you know a bitch don't know how to do this yet. Okay, girls. I'm gonna try this forehead. You guys know me, and my chin, and my lips. Yes, girl, and the lips. So let's blend this out, like how I be seeing the other YouTube girls doing it. Yes, girl. Yes, look at that. Popping. So we're gonna use these brushes to contour them cheekbones, girl. Contour that face, contour that cheek, everything. That chin, yes. So I'm using L'Oreal contour palette. Now, onto these eyebrows. For people that know me, damn sure know that I do not have eyebrows and I know how to make them on fleek. So we're going to start blending the inner corners because that is the most, like, valuable place because you don't want to have one eyebrow to be dark and then the other eyebrow to be, like, light. I don't know how to bake and I don't know about baking yet, so I'm gonna just put this Fit Me all over my face, then top it off with doing these straight ass eyelashes that don't curl. So there we go right there. I'm gonna use this highlight. Oh, my favorite part. I love this highlight so much. This is my first and only highlight actually. I have to add more to the collection, but oh my god. I'm gonna line these lips a little bit and put this MAC lipstick on. I don't like how it was too ashy, so I'm just going to add on some lip gloss. This lip gloss is so beautiful. Oh my god, I just love nude colors. It's not even funny. So I'm about to just put this color on my cheeks because I'm about to blend out the highlight and my contour together. And I hope you guys like this because I'm still a beginner, but y'all could begin with me. You know, a bitch is popping. Look at that. Look at that highlight. Look at them lips. Look at them eyebrows. And look at them straight ass eyelashes. Tell me what y'all think. Thank y'all for watching. And I hope you like, share, and subscribe.